Hey guys, welcome to another video from the Parrott Bros. Today we're going to be doing the gearbox mount insert, which is supposed to reduce some of the slop and some of the movement in the automatic transmission. So, without further ado, this is the one I bought from Darkside Developments. It was 30 something pound delivered, and it actually comes with 2 new bolts, which I shall be using. The only tool you'll need for this is a 10mm multi-spline adapter or multi-spline bit, and you don't actually need to remove anything. You can actually do it just jacked up, and it is, see if I can zoom in and get it. I've undone it slightly just so it hangs down. So it's that bracket there. All you need to do is undo that, and then we'll put the insert in and do it up, and then we'll do a drive in a separate video because I want to discuss a few other bits and bobs while I'm there. So let me just get the camera set up. I'll get that undone. I'll show you how the new one fits. I mean, you can reuse the old bolts. It's just I ordered one that come with new bolts just because if I'm taking something out, I like to just put new bolts in if you can. By the looks of these, there's nothing wrong with them. They came out fine. They were obviously torqued up correctly when they've been done. It's probably never been out since it was new. So that is the bracket that was in there, and all that basically does is just sits and holds it up. Now let's get this new one, and all that does is should just push up there. Look, that fits nice and snug. Just put these in loose. Lovely jubbly. Right, let's get the old camera up and I'll show you. And all that does basically is it just fills the void around the mount and the bush just to remove the amount of travel in there. So we'll get them done up, get them torqued up, and then that is pretty much it. Right, once done hand tight, and they are to be torqued up to 20 Newton meters. And that is the install complete. So that's the insert installed. You can see what it does. It goes in really easily. It goes straight in, bolts in. To be honest, it's a 10-minute job, so it will be interesting to see if it's that much of a benefit. I'll be very happy if it is, because it's only taken 10 minutes to do, so it'll be a worthwhile mod. It's nice and cheap to do as well, so if you're thinking of doing it, keep an eye out for another video. We'll do a driving video, and I'll once I've done a few miles, I'll let you know if it's a worthwhile one or not. Thanks for watching, guys.